YouTube, what's up? And today in this video your boy Dr. Cuts is coming in hot, so stay tuned to watch this step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this look. So guys, what I'm doing now is I'm going in with a closed lever. After that, I'm just going to follow underneath it with a Babyliss trimmer. This is just going to remove a little bit left from the closed blade, and then after that I'm going to open the lever up, which is effectively a 0.5 lever open, but I'm just breaking it down into smaller sections because you can get a super crispy blend this way. Guys, so now what I'm doing is I'm going in with the lever open, and then I'm just going to be knocking it down one notch at a time. Okay, you're going to see me go back with the open blade. This is just going to blend in to a 0.5 and see what's blended out. Going in with the one guard open, and then after that I'm just going to start closing that lever exactly like I did with the zero guard. The way I've done this haircut is I've just broken down everything, so you could go 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, but this way with the closed lever, open zero, open one, it's the same steps but it's just broken down. This can ultimately give you a super crispy blend because you're just fine tuning everything. So I'm just picking the hair out with my afro comb, and I'm just going to take off any loose hairs just to really create that shape now. Okay, this is where the haircut starts coming to life. We've done the fade, it's all about shape at this point. Work to one side and just pull away. Okay, I'm not digging in when I do this, it's always just small movements pulling away, and then afterwards you look in the mirror and then you can see what bits need working on. You can't just expect to go bish bash bosh and expect it to be clean. The shape up takes time, so don't worry, just press it in, pull away, and it's going to look nice. Just doing a little bit of detail work. I'm using my corded master. Bonus tip for you guys, when it comes to detail work, I highly recommend using a corded clipper, because as opposed to the wireless clippers, you can hear the hair being cut, and when it comes to those finer details, hearing that hair really is what makes the difference to getting a super clean blend. So now I've finished the shape up, just using a little bit of hair fibre. That is Topic that I used, just in case you're wondering what that was. I'm just using a curl sponge now, and I'm going in small circular motions in the same direction. You have to keep going over this. The more you do this, the more curly it's going to get. So if you do it for 5 minutes, you're going to get a proper tight curl. this is how your boy came in, and this is how he came out. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe button. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's at Oyster Barbers. It's your boy Dr. Cuts, over and out. One love, brother.